Hi Biolog. Today we will be doing 7th grade math lesson 13. The first one says that a bottle of soda contains B liters of liquid. The expression 8 times 6B shows the amount of liquid in 8 six-packs, which expression also represents the amount of liquid in 8 six-packs. So either way, we're finding how much liquid is in 8 six-packs. So if we multiply 8 times 6B, they'll be equal to 48B. And since 8 times 6B shows the amount of liquid in 8 six-packs, and they are equal, this means that 48B also represents the amount of liquid in 8 six-packs. So the answer would be C, 48B. Okay, for number 2, it says that Jordan weighs 9W kilograms and Sanjay weighs 3W kilograms, and the expression 9W plus 3W shows how much they weigh together, which expression also shows how much they weigh together. So we would do the same thing. We'd simplify 9W plus 3W, and since they are like terms, we just add. So 12W, and since 9W plus 3W shows how much they weigh, and since it's equal to 12W, that means 12W also shows how much they weigh together. So the answer would be C, 12W. Number 4 says that 4 friends shared equally 0.6 pounds of ice cream. The expression 0.6 T divided by 4 pounds shows how much ice cream each of the friends received, which expression also represents that. So once again, we just simplify the equation. 0.6 T divided by 4 LB is equal to 0.15 T LB, and since they're equal, that means that this 0.15 also shows how much ice cream each of the friends received. So the answer would be A. Number 4 says that Kaylin found a stick that was 1 1/4 yards long, and she cut a piece of the sticks. Now it measures 1/2 n yards long. The expression 1 1/4 n minus 1/2 n shows the difference in lengths of sticks. So it shows the difference in length of sticks before and after Kaylin cut it, which expression also shows the difference in lengths of the stick. So once again, we just simplify the equation. Since they are like terms, we can just subtract. So, well, first we'd make them common fractions. So 1/2 is also equal to 2/4. So it'll be minus 2/4 n. So 1 1/4 n minus 2/4 n. And that would be equal to 3/4 n. So since they're equal, 3/4 n would show the difference in lengths of the stick. So the answer would be D. Number 5 says there are 8D hens on the farm. The expression 2 times 8D represents the total number of legs of hens. Which of the following expressions also represents the total number of legs of hens? So once again, we'd simplify. 2 times 8D is also equal to 16D, which means that if they're equal, and this represents the number of legs, then this also represents the number of legs. So the answer would be D, 16. D. Number 6 says that Michael and Jordan have S boxes each, and they weigh 0.75 kilograms each, and Jordan's boxes weigh 0.5 kilograms, and the expression 0.75S plus 0.5S represents the total weight of all the boxes. Which of the following expressions also represents the total weight of all boxes? So we just add 0.75S plus 0.5S, and since they are like terms, we would get, we can add these together, and that would be 1.25S. And since they're equal, this also represents the total weight of all boxes. So the answer would be D. Number 7 says that there are 12G guests and that it only has 4 bedrooms. So we'd have to divide. So 12G divided by 4 represents the total number of rooms in the hotel, or the number of rooms in the hotel, which expression also represents the number of rooms in the hotel. So we just do 12G over 4, we simplify that, and that will give us 3G. And that also represents the number of rooms in a hotel. So the answer would be A. For D's, we'd want to isolate for x, so we want x just by itself. So the first thing we do is subtract 15 on both sides, so that we just get 7x. Negative 34 minus 15 is negative 49, and that's equal to 7x. 7x is not just x, and to isolate it, we'd have to divide by 7. So we do so on both sides, and that will give us x is equal to negative 7. Number 2, 9x minus 10 equals 35, plus 10 on both sides to isolate for 9x. That will give us 9x is equal to 45, and to fully isolate, we divide by 9. So that will give us x is equal to 5. 10x plus 100 is equal to negative 100. We'd subtract for 100 to isolate for 10x. So we'll get 10x is equal to negative 100 minus 100 equals to negative 200. We divide by 10 to get x by itself, and that will give us x is equal to negative 20. 15x plus 750 is equal to 0. So we want to isolate for 15x. So we subtract 750 on both sides. 0 minus 750 is just negative 750. So 15x is equal to negative 750. And then we divide by 15 on both sides. And that would give us negative 50. X is equal to negative 50. And then the rest of these problems will be homework.